to my channel, Candy Perler Fairy. So today I have a special video for you guys. It's not a 3D perler tutorial, but it's also related to 3D because I found an app recently, and it's really fun where you can use it to build 3D models if you're interested. So I had so much fun using this app because I can get very creative to create things that I really like. So recently I posted a video on Instagram to build a 3D bird, so like this one right here. So I use the app to build a 3D bird so I can get very creative, and I want to show you today how I can use this app to build a Hello Kitty head. So if you want to give this app a try, I'm not sponsored, but I just found that this one is really good. So if you like 3D, so you definitely would like to give it a try and maybe follow this tutorial to see if you can build a Hello Kitty head as well. I'm still new to this, but I still want to record my progress and also build some other models. If you would like to see the progress, make sure you stay tuned. And if you're new to my channel, you can also subscribe if you like the 3D stuff. Subscribe and hit the bell so you can get notification whenever I post new videos like this one or 3D perlers tutorial. And also follow me on Instagram, Pinterest, and also visit my website so you can see more of the 3D perlers I create. Alright, so let's get started today. Ding!
If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do so by clicking the button and hit the bell so you will get alert for new videos. Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. Thank you.